Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to ship your iPhone back to T-Mobile. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you took advantage of a T-Mobile promotion where you need to ship your iPhone back to them. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? So once you've actually gone ahead and signed up for that promotion, let's say that you bought an iPhone 17, what's going to happen is that T-Mobile is going to send you a magenta envelope that looks like this. So this magenta envelope is going to contain your device return kit. Now inside the device return kit, you have a couple things. You have instructions on how to return your device. You have a bubble mailer to actually place your iPhone inside. So my iPhone is inside the bubble mailer. You also get a cardboard box, which also is self-adhesive. And then you also get a shipping label. So you simply just place your iPhone inside the bubble mailer. You place the bubble mailer inside the shipping box. You go ahead and seal the entire box, and then you place the shipping label on top of the box right over here. So your shipping label goes here. Then afterwards, you go ahead and drop it off at UPS. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and ship your iPhone back to T-Mobile. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.